Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make the oil can in Icarus. First of all, open the tech tree, tier 5, and make sure you got the manufacturer alongside the aluminum screw researched and made. Nextly, you want to unlock the aluminum can, which is the next blueprint. Once you've done that, go to the manufacturer and craft some aluminum screws for aluminum ingots. Nextly, you'll need around 20 steel ingots, which can be made from steel bloom and then smelted in a furnace to make these steel ingots. You'll need 20 of them and 5 aluminum screws. So you can go ahead and craft it once you've gathered all the materials. And this is how you get the oil can in Icarus. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.